Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As our software analyst Max Eddy found, carriers tend to delay updates to Android software, even security-critical updates. Although you'll still be at the mercy of your phone's manufacturer, buying your phone unlocked gives you the best chance of getting the latest and safest software updates. 1 July 2016.
Take our lead.
Buying an unlocked phone gives you the freedom to do whatever you want with it. If you want to try out one carrier for a month and then try out another, that's totally possible. If you don't want to have any carrier attached to it at all and instead use it as a Wi-Fi only device, that's fine. 2.3 September 2019.
Take our lead.
Disadvantages of an unlocked iPhone. The main disadvantage of a factory unlocked phone is the price. Since the cost on locked iPhones is subsidized by the carrier, locked phones are cheaper to buy up front. The other disadvantage is the factory unlocked iPhones still have the other limitations of locked iPhones. 30 April 2020.
Take our lead.
A carrier-imposed lock is a software code that prevents your phone from working on another cellular network. With an unlocked phone, on the other hand, you can get service with any carrier on a compatible network, and that's just one of the benefits of an unlocked phone.
Let's help you make your mark.
What's the difference between a locked and unlocked phone? The difference is that a locked phone has a software code on it that prevents you from using it on another network. An unlocked phone either doesn't have the software lock on it or someone was able to get a code that unlocks the software. 17 February 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Unlocked phones are great because you can use them on any GSM carrier, which, in the US, includes AT&T and T-Mobile, and abroad, includes almost every carrier. If not, just get a subsidized phone on a contract. That said, even if these reasons apply to you, buying an unlocked iPhone isn't necessarily cost-effective. 14 June 2011.
Take our lead.
Carriers don't get to request that factory unlocked iPhones get locked. The PR code at the carriers is set up so that they can request Apple unlock an already locked carrier device, but not the other way around. Your issue needs to be resolved fully by Apple. They'll need to either re-unlock your device or replace it. 25 May 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Overall, Amazon is my favorite place to start shopping for a cell phone. That said, putting in a little bit of time to research other options could offer other options. Finding the best price on the phone you want won't take long, but just a little bit of effort could save you $100 or more. 8 January 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
How do I unlock my mobile phone? You can make sure your phone actually needs unlocking by inserting a SIM card from another network into your mobile phone. If it's locked, a message will appear on your home screen. The simplest way to unlock your device is to ring your provider and ask for a network unlock code. NUC. 2 February 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.